time. Please welcome your host.
Alright, so isang magandang hapon po muli sa ating lahat. Once again, good afternoon everyone! Hi! And hello! So all our kids over here and sa ating mga adults din po na nandito, hello po sa ating lahat at isang magandang araw po. Welcome po sa ating mga guests na nandito. Once again, we would like to invite everybody to please settle down na po. Maupo na po tayo. Most especially our kids to be seated over here in front so that we are at our most comfortable area. And syempre naman, bago tayo mag-umpisa ng ating napaka-bongga, special na programa po ngayong hapon, ay nais ko lang po sana makamusta ang lagay ng ating mga bisita right now. And I also want to check your vibe and your energy. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba makapakinig po muna pala po sa inyong lahat. Isang malakas na walakbakan, may kasamang sigawan siya! Oh, diba? That's the vibe that we are looking for this afternoon. Kaya dapat tayo masaya and overall energy ang hanap natin ngayong araw. By the way, good afternoon everyone. Happy New Year! And of course, syempre naman, we are all gathered here to witness a very special event or occasion for our birthday celebrate po ngayong hapon. Yes, of course. And muli po, isang magandang araw sa ating lahat. And welcome aboard here at the What Cabin Group Events Place dito po sa Santa Maria, Bulacan. And once again, we are all gathered here to witness and also to celebrate this time, of course, the 7th birthday of our birthday celebrant this afternoon na si Dana. Excited na po ba kayong makita si Dana in person? Palakpakan na po ang lahat. Oo, di ba? Siyempre, bago tayo proceed sa exciting part na yan, hinihiling ko lang po sana may pabor to all our beloved guests who are here and family members na syempre naman, please participate with us. Bear with us all throughout the program. Samahan niyo lang po kami para hindi lang po si Dana and her family ang mag-enjoy maging tayong lahat po. So just feel the vibe, enjoy, samahan niyo lang kami and also participate with us all throughout the program. Pero syempre, bago po ang lahat, bago natin syempre i-welcome ang ating birthday celebrant ngayong hapon, I think it's about time that I'm just going to formally welcome and introduce the parents of Dana first. Okay. So, syempre naman, hinihiling ko lang po, pag tinawag po natin sila sa gitna, and once they're walking here at the red carpet, abay, salubungan naman natin sila ng isang pambungad po natin malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang iyawan. Okay. And of course, we should begin with acknowledging the family of Dana. Palakpakan naman natin together with our self-walkers. Let's give it up to Mommy Mutia and Daddy Dapon Masok. Let's go! Hey! 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 Once again, a round of applause to Mommy Mutia and Daddy Dana together with our self-walkers. Yay! Let's give it up once again to Daddy Dapson, Mommy Mutia, and our guests, self-walkers. Ano pa naman natin sila? Hi! Good afternoon. Okay, please join us over here. And of course, muli sa palakpakan naman again to our self-walkers and the parents of Dana who are here with us. Okay, at that is dyan, everybody, I think it's about time. But before anything else, may I request lamang po each and every one of our guests to please rise. Magsipagtayo na po tayo lahat and let us all stand because I believe that it is about time that we are now going to welcome on stage our birthday celebrant for this afternoon. But again and again, ulitin ko po ulit sa inyong lahat. Once I call her name, palakpakan naman natin siya. Kindly give her your warmest round of applause and also cheer her up. Okay, so may katunan ako sa ating lahat bago tayo magpatuloy. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? Yes, bakit parang matamlay? Hindi ganyan dapat po ang ating energy. Baka sakali, itoto na natin ang energy natin for Dana. Again, ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? That's even more better. So I think we're all set. Harap na po tayo sa main entrance and I believe that it's about time to look around stage and that is why brace yourselves and want to get ready because ladies and gentlemen, without congratulations of our one and only birthday celebrant for this afternoon together with our dance mascots. Hello Kitty, Melody, and Jeremy. Palakpakan naman natin once again our birthday celebrant this afternoon, the one and only Donna! Once again, a round of applause for our birthday celebrant, Donna! Siyempre, a round of applause kay Hello Kitty, Melody, and Jeremy, kasama si Cinnamon! Hello! There you go, cute! Once again, good afternoon, and welcome, of course, to Dana and her family and our special guest this afternoon. And everybody, please remain standing lamang po, manatili lamang po tayo nakatayo. And I'll be counting to 3 dahil gusto ko sana ngayon na mismo, nauna, batiin na natin ng pambungad na greeting ang ating birthday celebrant si Dana. I'll be counting to 3 or may bilang po ako tatlo, sabay naman tayong isigaw or batiin siya ng malakas na happy birthday, Dana! Okay, kayo lang po, samahan niyo kami. Here you go, 3, 2, 1. Everybody say! Happy birthday, Dana! There you have it. Alright, so everybody, thank you so much. Well, please remain standing as we are about to officially begin our program right now, of course, with our opening prayer to be led by Ma'am Liberty Aguirre.
Nagalugin ko na lang siya mag-nosebleed. Okay po, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Ang mga pagmamahal, salamat po sa lahat ng dumalo sa presensya ng bawat isa. Nawa po nag-enjoy kayo sapagkat ito po ang aming dream come true ni Dana noong ako po ay nasa UK. Dahil alam ko, masaya ka ngayon sapagkat eto na. Okay. Maraming salamat po, Panginoon, sa bawat isa na nawa po sa pag-uwi ninyo, kayo ligtas na makabalik sa inyong patutunguhan. At lalo higit, Panginoon, maging successful ang birthday party ng aking Unica Ina. Happy birthday, Dana. At nawa po ay bigyan mo siya ng kalakasan, lalo higit ng kalusugan, katalinuhan, kaalaman, lalo higit ang matutong gumala, maging mapagpakumbaba, good girl paglaki. Maraming po salamat, Panginoon, sa modalamin sa pangalan ng iyong anak si Jesus, kasama ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Liberty. And everybody, thank you so much. And we can now take your seats. And before they do an exit, picture lang po na ang buong family with our guests over here. And of course, for our fellow guests over here this afternoon, let's enjoy the rest of our program we prepared for all of you once again only here at Dana's 7th birthday. So muli po isang magandang hapon mo muli sa ating lahat. And of course, syempre naman, before we continue on with our program this afternoon, please allow me to introduce myself first. So magpalang araw sa lahat. And my name is host Risa, and I'll be your host and singer at the same time for Dana's 7th birthday. Palakpakan naman natin muli ang ating birthday celebrant, Dana, together with Mommy Mulia, Daddy Danson, and our guest mascots, and Still Walker. So, welcome po natin sila. Hello, thank you so much. Alright, so we request na po our stills to be here. And then, pwede na po maupo ang family sa gitna. Samahan niyo na lang po si Dana para hindi po siya mahiya. Yes. Okay. Mascots po, pwede po na tayo mag-exit. Mag-prepare sila later for their dance number. And mamaya kasabahan pa rin na tayo sa ating blowing of cake sa sandalila. Say bye-bye muna to our guest mascots. Bye-bye. Don't you worry, they will be right back. Okay, magalala. Pagbabalik po sila. Ayan. Kapag mag-blowing na tayo, they will be back. And meron magpa-practice pa sila ng bonggang performance sila for everybody. So stay tuned. Okay, and our silk walkers will stay here. Okay. Alright, so tuloy-tuloy po tayo. So magandang araw sa lahat. And as we proceed po with our program this afternoon, syempre naman, we would just like to request everybody to please look at our blood wall over here. Ayan, pang-iniwan na lang po tayo din. Ayan, because we are about to watch, first and foremost, an AVP or audio-visual presentation about the milestones or transition of our baby girl, Dana, from her childhood up to now. So, Boss DJ, let's watch this, everybody.